Good morning, student. Our last session we have discussed in chapter chemical bonding. We have discussed about valency, combining capacity, and already I have given some definition, and I hope that you have prepared already. Now I am going to start from metallic elements. What are the metallic elements? The elements having 1, 2, 3 electron in their valence shell, that elements are known as metallic elements. Means as example, aluminium electronic configuration 2, 8 and 3. It means that aluminium can lost only 3 electron to get its stable electronic configuration nearest noble gases. As example, aluminium 283, it's lost 3 electron, and aluminium ion means 2828. Just you consider that their electronic configuration is just nearest noble gas neon. Now question, what is a positive ion? How positive ion form? Means positive ion formed by loss of electron. Why an element lose the electron? Answer is simple, to get stable electronic configuration just nearest noble gases. In case of non-metal, that are called non-metallic elements. Non-metallic elements, it's having 7, 6, 5 and 4 electron in their valence shell. As example, I am taking example of oxygen. Oxygen electronic configuration is 2 and 6. Means oxygen need only 2 electron. Oxygen need only 2 electron to get stable electronic configuration just nearest noble gas neon. 2 and 6. Now you see that here positive ion, here negative ion. What are cation? What are anion? Positive ions are known as cation. Negative ions are radical known as anion or anion. Now question, write the question, how cations are formed? Cations are formed due to loss of electron. How anions are formed? It is formed due to gain of electron. One more definition you can easily get from here. What is oxidation and reduction? Loss of electron is known as oxidation and gain of electron known as reduction. And you know that a reaction in which oxidation and reduction both simultaneously take place, that is called redox reaction. So it's clear that what are metallic elements, what are non-metallic elements. Means non-metallic elements having 7, 6, 4, 5, 4 electron in the valence shell. It means this 7 need only 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron and 4 electron. Number of electron loss or gain by element to get stable electronic configuration is known as valency. Next question, why elements lose or gain the electron? Answer is that only to get stable electronic configuration. Perhaps last session I have given few definitions to remember. One, just I am going to revise. I have given atomic number, mass, atomic mass. Afterward, periodic properties. What are the periodic properties about that? In 9th class, periodic table you have studied already. Periodic property means IP, ionization potential, electron affinity, atomic radius, atomic size, that is also known as radius, atomic radius or atomic size. Electron negativity. I am going to start a definition from this 1, 2 and 3. What is atomic radius? The distance between center of or nucleus of an atom and their outermost shell, distance between center of nucleus and outermost shell or valence shell, that is called atomic radius or atomic size. Next is, what is IP? IP means ionization potential. In ionization potential, total amount of energy required. Suppose X is any element, amount of energy required to remove electron from outermost shell in of the isolated gaseous atom. Total amount of energy required means X plus electron. Total amount of energy required to remove the electron from outermost shell of the isolated gaseous atom is known as ionization potential or IP. Electron affinity, amount of energy released when an atom, suppose X is any atom or element, when an atom gain electron and form anion, it's form anion. Means amount of energy released when an atom accept one electron and form the anion is known as electron affinity. Now, I have also discussed how many type of chemical bond. Chemical bond, first one ionic or electrovalent bond. Second one covalent bond. Third one coordinate bond. I am going to start this first point, ionic or electrovalent bond. Now, like some question that is given in your book. What is ionic bond or ionic compound? Second one, what are conditions for formation of the ionic compound or electrovalent bond? See that ionic bond or ionic compound, the bond formed by transfer of electron is known as ionic bond or electrovalent bond. The element which lose the electron known as donor, which take the electron known as acceptor. As example, the bond between sodium chloride, calcium chloride, that is ionic bond. The compound which exists ionic bond or electrovalent bond, the compound itself known as ionic compound or electrovalent compound. Afterward, first you prepare the definition. What are periodic properties? Their definition: electron, ionization potential, electron affinity, electronegativity, atomic radius. Afterward, in book page number 21, page number 21 and 22, just you read, and I will explain this topic our next session. Okay, thank you.